Hi, I'm Graham Bullock. Welcome to Mesh to NURBS G2 at y=0. Here we have a beautiful piece of reverse engineering. This surface is a planar surface which has been direct modelled to fit the mesh. Here's the deviation map, and you see these are the values that I normally use. 1.5, acceptable distance 1. It's not my work, it's the student's work. Okay, he's produced this surface, it looks great, it's within the 1 mil. Okay, how can we further improve it? Look at it in F6 and you can see straight away that some of these hulls are planarized. So take the planarized hull tool, single, view based, adaptive, and hit the hulls to planarize them. Okay, that's done. Now let's have a look in F5, see if we've got symmetry here. So we go to the layer. This is the area where a lot of students struggle. We're going to take the evaluation tool there and go ask for position. You can see straight away that we have a gap there. So don't start pulling CVs around yet. Go to planarize hull and planarize that hull there. This is a good point for me to explain to you that what I'm showing you here now is not something that you would often have to do if you took steps to avoid it in the first place with your workflow. So for example, I have a y=0 curve there, and what I would do when I start to create the surface, there's sort of two ways that I choose. Either to build it across as an apex-less surface, assuming that there was no problem with doing that, or to build the surface from a draft surface. So let's take the draft tool, pull direction Y, make it a bit bigger. There. Now we can ask for tangency with the align tool against this draft surface, which makes a lot more sense. So we'll proceed with the workflow that we had originally. Take the move CV tool, put it on sensitivity 100, and we're going to open the information window, pick the locator. Okay, we're going to ask for position. If you're wondering why I have 50 checkpoints there, etc., it's because it's all set up in my preferences. Just slide that down there for a moment. Let's go into F8. We're ready to start. Let's use step size. Of course, let's set that to step size to 0.001, and we can start adjusting our code. Though I battle blind, love is a favorite line. Stop there. I'm going to pick these two CVs using the nudge keys. Pick these two CVs as well simultaneously. Okay, that's position. I'm doing this in real time. I'm not stopping the recording at all. Go to pick the locator again and go here and change to tangency. Just come down here, and where it says comb scale you want G1 because that's tangency, of course. Set that to 50, and now we've got a comb that we can more easily see. Move CV, and this is where the trouble is, so I'm going to pick the tangent CVs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I've picked a tangent CV everywhere there's a problem. I'm going to use NUV now. Look for these checkpoints. little kind of cross indicator. When you can see that several CVs are affected, pick them all together. Now we have a digital readout here telling us where the problem is. The problem now is very, very small. As it's relative, then we need to zoom in, kind of gearing down a mouse movement. Okay, we're very, very close. That's our tangency. Now straight back to the window, pick the locator, set it to curvature, come down here to curvature scale. We don't need to. We've automatically got curvature, so that's great. There's our reverse engineered surface with beautiful G2, and we did it all by hand. Thank you very, very much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope that you found it helpful, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.